Hi everyone, welcome to Rare Solution presentation. I am Vinicius Caracini and this is Lilia Pavlova. We work together on this project to analyze the data using Python and find a good solution based on what we have. So after analyzing the data, we could find a pattern and information available that we could use for a very good solution. Here is an example on the data we have, and as you can see, we have a disease and we have many different phenotypes for the same disease. This means that if we cross the data, we can come up with a disease related to different phenotypes. And that's the solution we decided to work with. So the main problem a patient with rare disease face is finding that they have a rare disease. It's usually hard to assess. There are many difficulties on identifying a rare disease and huge consequences for the patient that might end up having a diagnosis for a very similar disease, but not the right one, and have a very inefficient treatment. So the way we decided to address this situation is having a web app that would have a field where the physician could go there and fill with the patient phenotypes, even genetics if they have a generic result, and the app would run the logic to find all the diseases that match all the entries, all the phenotypes, and give an output with a list showing all the diseases that match those phenotypes, which one has the higher probability of matching the disease this patient has. This would make it possible for the physician to find the disease that actually the patient has and find a better treatment for this patient.
Hello, let me show you how our web application works. For example, a healthcare professional wants to check which rare diseases are associated with several phenotypes. They will enter all the phenotypes in this field, separated by comma, and search for diseases. Our program now shows the table of all rare diseases with matching phenotypes. The table also contains some useful information for a doctor to consider, like genes associated with a particular disease and geography.
To make this app even better, we could later add a function where we show not only rare disease, but also common diseases. This way, even if the patient doesn't have a rare disease, there would be an option for a common disease, and also would allow the physician to assess more precisely if this disease is or isn't common, and how to deal with the consequences of it. So, for instance, if it's a rare disease related to genes, it means that if the parents or the siblings or the sons that this patient has also would need treatment. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy our presentation.